How to fit a plug hole, a bath or sink waste. Difficulty level 1 hammer. When installing or replacing a shower tray, a bath or a sink, you have to install and connect the waste system. The assembly is simple and suitable for all abilities. You will need a plug hole for a shower tray, a bath waste, and a waste for a single or double sink as needed. Also ensure you have some sandpaper and glue for PVC. You will only need a set of screwdrivers, as the specific screwdriver for certain assemblies is provided. Mount on adjustable feet or a base. The shower tray must leave sufficient room for the waste pipe. Fit the body of the plug hole. Place the tray on the supports to mark where the plug hole needs to be on the floor. Remove the tray. Then connect the plug hole to the pipe installed. Pour a little water into the body of the plug hole to check that your fitting is watertight. If needed, use a flexible waste pipe, which will leave greater room for maneuver. If using adhesive, wait 1 hour before pouring in some water to check for leaks. Fit the plug hole. Depending on the model, place the waterproof ring over the plug hole before fitting the shower tray. Or fit it in advance on the waste outlet of the shower tray before placing it on the base. Fit the tightening ring within the body of the plug hole. Tighten with the key provided. Then put on the trap. Fit the plug hole. After you have laid the bath on its side, apply the waste pipe, joining it at the waste hole. Inside the bath, put the cup for the plug hole in place and fix by tightening the screw which goes across it. Install the overflow. Fix the overflow and its waste pipe on the appropriate opening. Put the connecting pipe between the waste and the overflow in place. The vertical part comprises 2 pipes which flow between each other to adapt to the height. Some models have a ring connector on the pipe. Others, like this one, are connected using sections of pipe. Connect the U-pipe. After gluing your connecting hose, put the bath in place and connect up, not forgetting the seal. Fit the plug holes. Place the seal on the body of the plug hole. Position the stainless steel bowl without a seal on the inside of the sink and put the body of the plug hole over the top. Tighten the 2 screws from above in the sink and tighten to compress the seal a little. Place the cup in the plug hole, then the support for the strainer, and finally the strainer itself. Assemble the overflow. Put together the overflow pipe with its head, then put on the seal. Fix it to the sink by screwing the little strainer. Fit the nut, then the seal on the overflow pipe. Then connect to the plug hole. Don't forget to put the plug on the plug hole that is not connected to the overflow. Join the plug holes. Use a little tube with a nut and a seal at each end. Fit to the plug hole drain and tighten. Do the same to the other plug hole. Join the 2 linking tubes together with a connecting seal and nut. Put the piece in place. Slide into place on each side, opposite the connection. Then fix onto each of the plug holes with a seal and a nut. With the fitting in place, tighten the nut around the fitting point. Connect to the waste. Put the connecting elbow in place with its seal and tighten the nut. Put a tightening ring and a seal on your PVC pipe. Install your double sink. Join up the plug hole wastes to the PVC pipe. All that remains to be done is to screw in the waste plugs. Sold as ready-to-fit kits, wastewater systems are very easy to fit. You must just make sure to put all the seals in the right places to guarantee that your fitting is watertight. Need more info? Call 010 493 5170.